Hey, Natural Method YouTube. Are your legs frequently going numb on you? Do you have problems bending your back? If you have a slip disc, you're not alone. Our friend Tiku has also asked for a natural method for this. Imagine how much better you're going to feel without the pain. Let's get started.
With both palms, massage the lower back up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Massage strong. We want to generate friction heat.
4, 5. Massage it sideways. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. With your back or your palm, massage it up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Massage strong enough so that you feel the friction.
3, 4, 5. Massage it sideways. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Place your right palm on your lower back, left palm in this position and stretch back. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Make sure you stretch to the tension point.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Left palm on your back and right palm in this position and stretch back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Both palms in your lower back and stretch back. 1, 2, 3, 4.
If you are bending back enough, you will feel tension in your lower back.
2, 3, 4, 5. Stretch and hold it for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and relax. Both palms behind your head and then stretch back. 1, look up. 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold it for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and relax. Right palm on your back, left hand in this position, stretch forward. 1 and back. 2, 3, 4.
Take your time as you bend.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Left palm on your lower back, right hand in this position and stretch back. 1 and forward. 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and relax. Both palms massage your lower back up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Please make a big motion as you massage up and down.
Stop. Hold it for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and relax.
Don't forget to get your free case study on how I breathe better and get rid of congestion. Click here.